Listen to me carefully. Yekani izinto engazazi. These fish are growing within the tank. And now you call Makoko. She's not taking calls from you. Call no. And fishes are growing. In a sense, they squash the tank now. But plus or minus, will be clocking plus or minus 60, 70 million in your account. And the next time when you get there, the fish tank has busted. Water is everywhere. Where are the fish? No fish. Nothing. They are all gone. They're all gone. None of your family members will live. They will all die as much as these fish are dead and disappeared. They will all die. You'll be left alone with a broken glass of fish tank because you wanted to be rich. Don't rush for things that you don't know.